In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay employees in Xero. This is a simple process, and I'll guide you step by step so you can run payroll accurately and efficiently. Let's get started. First, go to Xero and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Payroll section in the main menu and click on it. This is where you manage employee payments, pay runs, and payroll records. Now, click on Pay Employees to begin the process. Here, you'll see an option to create a new pay run. Click on Add Pay Run to get started. Next, select the correct pay period. This could be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on how your business pays employees. After selecting the pay period, continue to the next step. Now it's time to review your employees. You'll see a list of employees included in the pay run, along with their earnings, deductions, and any additional payments. Take your time here to check that everything is accurate. Make sure salaries, bonuses, taxes, and deductions are all correct before moving forward. If you notice any mistakes, you can edit the details directly at this stage. Once everything looks good, click on Save to confirm the pay run details. After saving, the next step is to finalize it. Click on Post Pay Run to lock in the payroll information. This step ensures that all records are officially recorded and ready for payment processing. Now that the pay run is posted, you can send payslips to your employees. Go back to the pay run and look for the option to email payslips. Select the employees you want to notify, then click to send the payslips directly to their email. This keeps your team informed and provides them with a clear breakdown of their payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pay employees in Xero. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.